Hello all, I am Dr. Ashish Agrawat. I am going to talk about biomedical waste disposal level 2 MCQ. So we will see the first MCQ. This is a spatula, so that will be in yellow bag. This is gloves, so gloves will be, latex will be in red bag. This is the needle, so needle in the sharp in the white bag. Okay. Tubing, endotracheal tubing in the red, any plastic tubing in the red bag. This is the implant, so in the blue bag. This is the needle, so sharp will be in the white bag. This is the male catheter, so it is in the red bag. This is the eye shield, so it's the plastic material always in the red bag. Again, nebulizer mask, so it is in the red bag. Sharp needle, okay, scalpel will be in the white bag. Solid waste like leaves in the green bag. Blood stained pillow in the yellow bag. Again, pillow stained with the blood, so blood stained anything will be in the yellow bag. This is the pint in the plastic, so in the red bag. Okay. This is a chemical, okay, so it is in the bottle, will be in the yellow bag. Sharp needle, that will be in the white bag. Again, this is the needle, so it will be in the white bag. Expired medicine in the yellow bag. Solid waste in the green bag. Chemical, okay, tube, so in the yellow bag. This is a plastic triple valve in the red bag. Solid waste in the green bag. Again, solid waste, okay, fruits, it is in the green bag. Sharp will be in the white bag. Glass tube, so in the blue. Broken glass, anything or implant in the blue. So again, this is the implant, so in the blue bag. Okay, in blue bag only implant and glass. This is a blood culture, okay, it will be in yellow. IV set, so tubing, plastic, it will be in red bag. This is a sharp needle, you can say a sharp end, it will be in the white bag. Gloves in the red bag. Tap will be in the yellow bag. Discarded medicine in the yellow bag. Blood culture plate, it will be in the yellow. Anything blood related, it will be in the yellow. Blood stain or anything. Anything tubing related, this is the urine catheter, so it will be red. Again, apron stained with the blood in the yellow. Right. Again, gauze piece stained with the blood, that will be in the yellow bag. Blood stained gauze piece in the yellow bag. Chemicals bottles will be in the yellow bag. Implant will be in the blue bag. Okay, and eye mask, that is in red bag. Okay, so this is all about this video. You will get the certificate also at the end. Thank you for watching. Bye.